Good morning, guys. We just woke up from a very wet night. Stormed and rained just about all night. Slept good though, stayed dry. Henry stayed dry, he just took his top off. So we're in Kentucky right now, and our goal today is to get 700 miles away to Arkansas to some land that his parents bought a long time ago. It's a little wooded section. We have no idea what it looks like. We have no idea if it's even campable, but that's what we're gonna try to get to today. And if that doesn't work, I have no idea what's gonna happen.
All right, if you're wondering what I'm cleaning, it is a plastic chew toy for a dog. It was left at this campsite, and for you people who have dogs and like dogs, I'm saving it for my dog, Bindi. So here's a familiar scene.
Transfer case is a little bit low, so I'm just topping it off with a MRE funnel that I tried to make. This is a cardboard from the MRE cooker. Trying to make it a funnel, but it's actually kind of hard.
Your funnel don't seem to be working too good, buddy.
I can catch whatever spills out back into my bottle, and arm and hand, and I think it's full.
I think it's full too.
I think I'm an oily mess.
Yeah, definitely.
Just maintenance that I totally forgot to do. I know this has been leaking, and it hit me today that I haven't checked it in like a year, and I saw a puddle on the ground, and figured I should probably check it. And yeah, it was almost empty. But we'll be on the road here in a couple seconds. I'm gonna get cleaned up and clean up my mess, and we should be good to go.
Cool. Good job, buddy. And while Jesse is fixing his transfer case fluid issue, I'm heating him up lunch. That would be a pork patty MRE.
Hey, we can run away. You say you want to. You wanna go back. You wanna go back to a place where we can hide.
We've made it to sunshine. We had a heck of an experience with the rain coming out of Tennessee. It poured.
How was that in the Land Cruiser?
I did have to roll the windows up a little bit.
Was yours as bad as mine?
Oh,
Couldn't see out of the windshield?
Sure, it was worse.
Soaking wet? I
have a little squeegee for the inside. I had the wipers on full high, which is me. I mean, I was wiping as quick as they would go, and then wiping the inside. Now it's piping hot, so it's just humid as hell.
It is hot. It looks like hopefully the rest of the trip's gonna be rain-free. Hoping. We're out of that weather belt.
You know what? In a couple days, we're gonna wish we had this water.
I know.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna hit the road and hopefully try to get to that spot that we're gonna try to get to.
Arkansas?
Yeah, we're trying to get to Arkansas, to camp.
Jesse's learning all of his
states. We're really tired, so we're gonna hit the road and hopefully try to get there before tomorrow.
Yeah. Cheers. Good old carburetors. Well, we're pretty close to some of my parents' land out here, and it's back in the middle of nowhere, but I think we're almost there.
I feel like this is where we all get murdered and die. Okay, so this is the property that Henry said was flat, which I mean it is flat if you
can get up it, it's flat.
climb this. So this in theory would work if we could find a way up it. This is our driveway?
This is our driveway.
All right, who's first?
Well, the property owner, of course.
All right, Mr. Property Owner, why don't you plow up this thing?
Oh, we all made it. You did good. Your bag touched a little, but it didn't hurt nothing.
All right, so we finally made it to the spot where we're gonna stay at tonight. It's pretty cool. It's really confusing why there's so many roads out in the middle of the woods. We gotta look into that because something kind of seems weird, maybe? I don't know. I feel like it's a cult. We're gonna get murdered or eaten tonight. We're gonna end this video here. It was a very interesting day, so stay tuned for the next one.